15th January 1949, the Indian Army achieved a historic milestone as General K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Army, marking the dawn of self-reliance in our defense forces. Since then, the Indian Army has undergone an extraordinary transformation, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Strength and modernization. From a modest post-independence army, today we are the second largest military force globally, with over 12 lakh active personnel. Our forces are equipped with indigenous innovations like the BrahMos missile, Arjun main battle tank, and Tejas light combat aircraft. With a focus on self-reliance, the Make in India initiative has revolutionized defense manufacturing, reducing imports and boosting exports to 16,000 crore rupees in 2023. Guardians Beyond Borders. Did you know? The Indian Army has participated in 49 UN peacekeeping missions, deploying over 2 lakh soldiers to maintain peace across the globe. India remains the largest contributor to UN peacekeeping forces, showcasing our commitment to global stability. Women breaking barriers. In 2016, the Indian Army opened its doors to women in combat roles for the first time. Today, women officers serve in artillery, aviation, and even frontline positions, making history every day. Humanitarian operations. Our army isn't just about battles, it's about humanity. Operation Ganga, 2022. Over 22,000 Indians evacuated from war-torn Ukraine. Operation Maitri, 2015. Earthquake relief in Nepal. Operation Dost, 2023. Rescued and rehabilitated thousands in Turkey during the devastating earthquakes. Resilience in the face of challenges. From protecting the icy heights of Siachen, the world's highest battlefield, to showing unmatched bravery in Galwan, the Indian Army has proven its mettle time and again. Over 14,000 gallantry awards received since independence. Defense budget increased to 5.94 lakh crore rupees in 2023, strengthening capabilities like never before. Strategic partnerships with nations like the US, Israel, and Russia enhance our global stature. A personal touch. Our soldiers sacrifice not just their comfort, but their very lives to ensure we sleep peacefully every night. Their courage knows no bounds. Their dedication is unmatched. This Indian Army Day, let's not just celebrate their victories, but also remember their sacrifices. They don't just defend our borders, they define our identity as a nation. Indian Army, the pride of the nation.